Dying support.
Lapit ako.
For without it, we might not be here this evening. Thank you for understanding our attitudes and psychological states of mind. Thank you for making us strong to be able to survive all the trials we have gone through our high school life in this prestigious school. Thank you for being part of our lives, for being our inspirations to have a bright future and to be successful someday. Thank you for carrying us, being our second parents, and for the kindness you've shown us through these days. Thank you for giving us the strength and courage for the inspirational word that you've shared to us to treasure. Thank you very much. To my classmates, we know that understanding one another is too difficult for us, yet we still stood as one. We had minor fights, yes, but still we were there to comfort each other because we felt united by our unquestionable friendship. Through ups and downs, through deepest pressure, by those people who tried to break our bond, we learned to be strong. We're still there, giving support and encouragement to stand the pressures and trials we had faced. Now that our school days are at end, let us not forget and always be reminded of those memories we had shared together. The laughter, the tears, and sometimes the hatred. This made our days together colorful and challenging in this prestigious school. Lastly, good luck to all of us, and may the Lord God bless our paths. Good evening.